Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add your Presto card to Apple Pay. So you can easily tap to pay your transit with your iPhone or Apple Watch. So first of all, before you get started, make sure you have iOS 16.4 or higher or watchOS 9.4 or higher on a device. You also need either the Presto app or Apple Wallet app installed. Now, keep in mind, if you already have a physical Presto card, tap the card you want to convert, then select convert to Apple Wallet, right? And also, you need Presto card has to be registered to convert to Apple Wallet. And your physical card will no longer work. Your wallet just got a little lighter. So you need once you add it, and the physical card will work. And then to add to your Apple Wallet, let me quickly show you how easy it is to add it. Open the Presto app, upsell registration. So let me quickly show the steps here. And wallet. Alright, so this is how you can convert. Uh, Follow the steps on the screen. Account, which you're going to convert Apple Wallet, and then follow the steps. Scan it, add to Apple Wallet, and it Presto Wallet is ready to use on your Pay. And when you are on a transit and you want to pay for the fare, you simply select transit card, then choose Presto from the options and follow the on-screen prompts to write a card for a transit. And to pay, like simply tap your iPhone or Apple Watch near the Presto reader. No need to unlock your device or open the app. If your phone's battery is low, don't worry. Power reserve gives you power for up to 5 hours. And make sure your express mode is enabled. So you can tap and go without unlocking your device. You can also manage your settings and balance directly in Apple Wallet or Presto app. And that's it. If you need any more help, go to this link here to know everything you need to know about Presto and Apple Wallet. And that's all there is to it. You can also visit Apple's official store to know more about Presto usage and Express mode.